So today I'm going to be going over my 23andMe Ancestry results, which I already took a look at them. I couldn't help it. I was at a pizza shop with a friend and my curiosity got the best of me. So basically with 23andMe and a lot of companies, you submit a saliva sample and then send it into the laboratory, and then they test it for like 6 to 8 weeks, and then you get your results back. So they look at your genetics. Basically the only thing I know about my family history is that both my parents were born in Colombia, and then they came to this country. They had my brother and I, and here we are today. So starting off with the biggest category. So I am 45% East Asian and Native American. So 42% Native American, 0.3% East Asian, broadly East Asian, and then 2.7% broadly East Asian and Native American. Next one is European, so I am 41.4% European. So I am 39.2% Southern European, and that is broken down into Iberian, which is 26%, Sardinian, which is less than 0.1%. So then further down we have Ashkenazi Jewish, which is 0.9%, Southern Western European, which is 0.2%, and that is British and Irish. And then we have less than 0.1% of broadly Northwestern European. So that was cool. I kind of expected that. And then the next category is 4.4% Sub-Saharan African. So we have 3.4% West African, and then 0.2% East African, and then 0.8% broadly Sub-Saharan African. We have Middle Eastern and North African, 1.5% Middle Eastern and North African. So 0.8% North African, 0.5% Middle Eastern, and then 0.2% broadly Middle Eastern and North African. And then the very last one is 7.7% unassigned, which basically means that when the ancestry composition encounters DNA that is very widespread, like a piece of DNA that's found in Europe, the Near East, and Asia, it's just labeled as unassigned. So I have 7.7 unassigned, and that was pretty cool, honestly. But overall, it was a fun experience. I definitely enjoyed it. I want my mom to take this test, but it was a fun experience. It's something that I take really seriously, but I was always curious to take these. I love seeing the results / reaction videos on YouTube. So I decided to try it out. Thank you so much for watching. So if you've taken this test before, let me know your results down below. Were you surprised? And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already to keep up to date with all my videos. There's a loud car. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye.